Here we are, back on zOMG. It's Halloween. We're in the Jackyard and we're basically farming fluffs to get the gold recipes and shadow orbs, because you can actually get shadow orbs here now. But it's been like this a few years. You don't have to go into Dead Man's Shadow to get the shadow orbs, which is good for helping you out later when you do go to DMS. Knackered. We're in a crew. Nash, Vox Knight Hilly, Turntech Godhead TG, JD96, Flamingo Killer 97, and Torai Ejai. And I'm in a cosplay avatar. It's taken a couple of weeks, to be honest. And the item didn't come up until the day after the dev meet, which was a bit annoying, because the dev meet was here in the Jackyards and I wanted it for the dev meet and it didn't happen at that time. Couldn't get the item. Dust cleaner. Basically, I am Pyramid Head from Silent Hill 2, but a Gaia version. Who's this? Minerva Leventis. Pyramid Head with a spear. Oh, people are still turning up. And I've been nerfed, unnerfed, nerfed, unnerfed, nerfed, unnerfed, nerfed, unnerfed. But it's nice to be able to get shadow orbs as well as coins. I'd happily be in Bill's Ranch bashing UFOs, but apparently the Jackyard is far too lucrative right now and people are sticking around here. Plated. There's Flamingo down the bottom. I'm never in a crew with Flamingo. Yeah, Nerf is coming again. But if you do defeat Jack, Pumpkin Jack, you do get at least 10 shadow orbs. But I think people value the coins more than they do the shadow orbs, and it takes a bit of grinding to get rid of. But yes, Pyramid Head from Silent Hill 2, the Gaia version. And Liam was in the corner. Yeah, Liam 88 was in the corner. But we need more people arriving at the same time to make crew, a double crew. But when single people turn up to a full crew of 6, more often than not, they don't hang about. They leave instantly. And I think I'm probably going to end it here. You get the point. Each Halloween And Nerf again. The Nerf. Just defeat this one. And then I'll have to start attacking everything randomly to see if I can get my coins back. Oh, they always hide next to Daddy, don't they? They get desperate and they run back to Daddy. These pumpkins. I tell you, it'd be great if every single time a pumpkin got destroyed, its guts stayed there. Just imagine the amount of pumpkin guts that would be there. Pumpkin seed. And I think I'm going to end it here. Halloween on Gaia zOMG in the Jackyard.